Let's get into category 1, keyword research tool. Keyword research tools. Our first tool suggestion is Ubersuggest. Also, there's a free and a paid version for this depending on your marketing budget. This is a super beginner-friendly platform that helps you find keyword ideas, search volume, difficulty, and even content inspo. Again, it's simple to use and it's really great for that blog content.
As she mentioned, all of these will be included in the description, so if you're interested, just go there to check them out. Okay, the second one is Google Keyword Planner. This is free. This pulls real search volume data directly from Google. Guys, that's awesome. This is located inside your Google ad dashboard, so even if you're not planning on running ads, you should set up an account just to use this tool. Go to Tools, under Planning. It's really a reliable and useful tool for local businesses targeting a geographic area.
The third tool is Keywords Everywhere. There's also a free and a paid version. This is a Chrome plugin that's a tool for keyword search data that works in real time. Plus, one of my favorite aspects about this is that there's a ChatGPT integration that includes prompt templates and local SEO integrations. There's so many categories, subcategories, and then subcategories that you can pick to really help you customize a lot of things, not only in SEO, but marketing in general. I highly recommend you go download this. It works on your Google search page. It'll be on that right-hand side of the search results, giving you all of that specific keyword insights. My favorite is the blog post outline template for the ChatGPT prompt. This makes blog writing so much faster and more efficient.
Okay, the fourth tool in this list is Answer the Public. They also have a free and a paid version. This is a question-based keyword research tool that reveals what people are really searching for. This is helpful when you're building out blog content, service pages, and FAQs. It's really excellent for long tail and voice search queries, visual maps of questions and keywords, and it breaks down keywords into an alphabetical list, which is kind of interesting. So check out Answer the Public.